Hello friends, Yana Smakula here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new product from Spellbinders to test out and play with. This is the foldable extended handle. So this is what it looks like. Comes in a packaging like this, and this is a handle for the Platinum 6 die cutting machine from Spellbinders. If you have the original Platinum, so the larger size machine, the one with a 8.5-inch opening, there is an adapter for the larger machine. So if you have the large machine, you can still use that handle or this handle with that machine. I will demonstrate the handle on the Platinum 6. In the packaging, it says contains handle, grip, and tools. Also, it says installation instructions included. Scan QR code or visit website for more instructions. Okay, I have used this handle a little bit when I was in Frankfurt in February of this year. I didn't film anything with that handle at that point because it was super secret at that time, and it was like so brand new. We didn't yet have the release date, so I didn't film anything, but I have used it, and I already know how it, how it needs to be assembled. Also, I wanted to mention that this is called the grip. So this is like the little squishy part. It makes it easier to hold, to hold the handle because it's thicker than the current Platinum handle. Let me bring my Platinum machine and you can see the two side by side. So this is, you can see the diameter of this one, and then you can see the diameter of this one. So this one's almost twice as big. So if you have dexterity issues, if you have pain in your arm, in your wrist, this might be helpful for you. Also, when you are using this handle, it's going to be easier to turn the handle of your machine. So sometimes, if you've been die cutting for some time, you know that sometimes it's actually quite hard to turn the handle depending on the die you're using or the embossing folder or whichever product it is that you're using in your machine. It can be quite hard to turn the handle. This is simple physics. It creates a longer handle, and that makes it easier to rotate the handle on your machine. So what you need to do is you basically need to swap this handle for that one. This handle, it locks in place by using this mechanism, and it is magnetic, so it kind of snaps right into place. You guys saw that just now. So first of all, it snaps right in place like this, and then I open it, and then I rotate this little lever, and it's snapped in place, and now my handle is locked. So I have all the parts and pieces ready, and next I need to remove the old handle, get this little piece out. It's not as easy to get out, but yeah, okay. I was able to use my two-in-one to get it out. Next, I'm gonna use my little wrench, unscrew the handle. You have probably already done this because when you receive your Platinum machine, the handle does not come attached. You attach it manually. So you probably have already done this with your machine. Okay, and next I'm going to set my machine on the side. Just need to fold the flaps so that I have enough room to attach the handle. There's a flat side in here and a flat side in here. You need to make sure that these two flat sides match. Looks good. And I'm just going to add the screw. Okay, that looks a little deep to me, but let's see if I can screw that back in. Okay, I made a little mistake, so I'll tell you what not to do. Do not use the washer from the screw that you just removed from your machine. So that's the black one. Do not use that one because it's a little bit too thick. Use this one, the smaller one, and do use the screw that comes. So basically use the screw and the washer that comes with the new handle. Do not use the old screw and washer for the new handle because, you won't be able to screw those in. Okay, and then use the Allen wrench and tighten it. Trying to figure out if, yeah, okay. It feels like it's now nice and tight. And use the rubber cap. Place it in place so that it's all nice and secured, and your new handle is now ready. As you guys can see, the handle now extends past the machine. So how do you use the machine, you ask? Well, there are several different ways, or two ways, I would say. Way number one is you can use it and set it on the edge of your desk. So I moved my machine off to the side of my desk. This is where my desk ends, and I moved my entire camera setup with me. I had to turn some additional lights on so you guys could see this a little bit better. So now I can easily rotate the handle and use my machine. Another way to do this is by placing the machine on a slightly raised surface. Here I have a little box. It's about 3 inches tall. And this is going to serve as a little platform, a little pedestal for my Platinum machine, or Platinum 6 machine, while I test out this new handle. I'm going to use the Perfect Touch Rectangles die. This one needs a little bit of pressure when you use it, when you cut with it, and I'm just going to try and send it through my machine. And it definitely goes in easier. Yeah, I feel like it's going through the machine easier. I will say that if you do decide to have some sort of a pedestal for your machine, it needs to be bigger and better than this. This is just something like a temporary solution, just so that I could test it in my video. I will probably end up using my machine by setting it up on the edge of my desk. I feel like that would work the best for me. By the way, you can also unlock your handle if you need to store your machine or transport your machine with the handle already attached. So this is what it would look like once the handle is unlocked. It would look like this for easy storage. So to summarize, there are 3 products in the My Turn extended handle release. There's the My Turn for Platinum 6, the one that I just showed you. There is the My Turn Comfort Grip, and that's something that you can add onto your existing Platinum or Platinum 6 handle. You can see me do just that. I would suggest that you use some sort of a lubricant. That makes it a lot easier to slide the handle on and off. I simply sprayed the inside of my handle using a stamp cleaner from Hero Arts. It lubricates the stamps really well, and I have found that it does the same for this comfort grip. There's also the adapter for the large Platinum machine, if that's the one that you haven't used. I do have the large Platinum machine, but I rarely use it, so I did not need to get an adapter, and I wasn't able to test it out for you. So overall, I feel like this is a great handle if you have the right setup and the right space in your craft room. If you are able to position your die cutting machine so that the handle is off to the edge of your desk, that's going to be super helpful for you to make die cutting an easier task. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you have found this video useful. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you next time. Love you all. Bye.